This isn't just another tech partnership. This isn't just another headline about billions of dollars being thrown around by a tech giant. The multi-billion-dollar bet Microsoft has made on OpenAI is the single most important move in the entire AI war. It's a calculated, aggressive, and frankly, risky maneuver that could quietly decide who wins the race to build the fundamental infrastructure for our AI-powered future. Microsoft has committed over $13 billion to OpenAI in a multi-year, multi-billion-dollar investment. This deal isn't for a flashy new app or a consumer gadget. It's for something far more critical: raw, brute force computing power and access to the world's most advanced AI models. It's a strategic strike aimed directly at the heart of Microsoft's biggest rivals, Amazon and Google, in a high-stakes battle for dominance that is only just beginning. Today, we're going to break down what this monumental deal means for the tech world, what exactly Microsoft gets for its money, and who the real silent winner in this whole affair might just be. The why: a chess move in the cloud wars. To understand the sheer magnitude of this deal, you have to understand the battlefield. The war for AI supremacy isn't just being fought with algorithms and models. It's being fought in massive, power-hungry data centers, filled with specialized chips. The global spending on AI chips and the cloud capacity to run them is projected to explode in the coming years. Having the most computing power is like having the most tanks in a ground war. It gives you a decisive advantage. For years, the cloud computing race has been a three-horse contest between Amazon's AWS, Microsoft's Azure, and Google Cloud. But the rise of generative AI has completely changed the rules. Training and running models like those from OpenAI requires a colossal amount of a specific type of hardware, graphics processing units, or GPUs. And right now, there's a massive global shortage. This is where Microsoft's move becomes a brilliant, almost ruthless strategic play. Internal Microsoft emails have revealed the company was multiple years behind the competition on an infrastructure level before the OpenAI deal, creating a sense of urgency. By pouring billions into OpenAI, Microsoft secured two things. First, it made Azure the exclusive cloud provider for all of OpenAI's workloads, including research and products like ChatGPT. This ensures Microsoft has the horsepower it needs to keep advancing its own AI services, from Copilot to its Azure AI platform. Second, and perhaps more importantly, it locked in the world's leading AI research lab as a flagship partner, instantly closing the gap with rivals. Think of it like a game of musical chairs. Microsoft didn't just secure a seat for itself. It partnered with the most popular player and built them a VIP lounge, leaving Amazon and Google scrambling. In response, Amazon has invested up to $4 billion in rival AI startup Anthropic, while Google is racing to develop its Gemini models. Microsoft's move was so aggressive that it triggered an arms race, forcing competitors into slower, more expensive options to keep pace. This isn't just about keeping up. It's an attempt to break away from the pack. The what? What did Microsoft actually buy? So what did Microsoft get for its $13 billion? It's not a simple equity purchase. It's a complex, multi-layered partnership. Microsoft doesn't own OpenAI, which remains governed by a nonprofit. Instead, Microsoft gets a reported 49% share of OpenAI's profits until its investment is paid back, along with other rights. Essentially, Microsoft bought three critical things. 1. Exclusive cloud partnership. Azure became the sole cloud provider for OpenAI, powering the immense computational needs for training models like the GPT series. This means every query on ChatGPT and every API call from a developer indirectly runs on Microsoft's infrastructure. While there are signs this exclusivity is evolving, Microsoft retains significant rights and deep integration. 2. Preferred partner for commercialization. The deal made Microsoft OpenAI's preferred partner for bringing its technologies to market. This has resulted in the rapid integration of OpenAI models across Microsoft's entire product suite, most notably with Microsoft Copilot in both Windows and Microsoft 365. 3. Access to cutting-edge tech. Microsoft secured access to the intellectual property behind some of the world's most advanced AI, giving it a powerful engine to build on and innovate with. This deal is about more than just money, it's a symbiotic relationship. OpenAI gets access to Microsoft's world-class supercomputing infrastructure to conduct its groundbreaking research, and Microsoft gets to be the first and best place to deploy those breakthroughs. It's an arrangement that has transformed both companies and the tech landscape itself. The bigger picture, ripple effects, and the silent winner. A deal of this size sends shockwaves through the entire industry. The most immediate impact was the mad dash by competitors to secure their own AI partners. Amazon poured billions into Anthropic, the startup founded by former OpenAI members, making AWS its primary cloud provider. Google accelerated its own AI efforts, leading to a fierce rivalry between its Gemini models and OpenAI's GPT series. But the biggest winner in this entire transaction might not even be Microsoft or OpenAI. The real winner is Nvidia. Nvidia holds a staggering monopoly on the AI chip market, with its powerful GPUs being the essential hardware for training large language models. The massive supercomputers Microsoft built for OpenAI on Azure are powered by tens of thousands of Nvidia GPUs. The multi-billion-dollar partnership between Microsoft and OpenAI is, in essence, a multi-billion-dollar pipeline of demand flowing directly to Nvidia. This cements Nvidia's position as the true kingmaker of the AI era. They are not just a supplier, they are the architects of the hardware that powers the entire revolution. By supplying all sides of the AI arms race, Microsoft, Google, and Amazon's partners, Nvidia's victory is all but guaranteed, no matter which cloud provider ultimately comes out on top. The risks and unanswered questions. Despite the brilliant strategy, this move is not without significant risks. First and foremost is the dependency. Microsoft's AI future is now deeply intertwined with OpenAI's. The shocking, albeit brief, ousting of CEO Sam Altman in late 2023 showed just how precarious this relationship could be, as Microsoft's leadership learned of the decision only moments before it was public. Any future instability at OpenAI could directly impact Microsoft. The second major question is one of sustainability. These AI factories are incredibly power-hungry. A single AI data center can consume an immense amount of electricity and water. Since making its ambitious pledge to be carbon negative by 2030, Microsoft's emissions have actually increased by about 30%, driven in large part by the expansion of its AI infrastructure. While the company is investing heavily in carbon removal and renewable energy, this highlights the deep tension between technological progress and environmental responsibility. Finally, there are the integration challenges and a shifting landscape. While Microsoft initially had exclusive rights as the cloud provider, OpenAI has more recently struck deals with other cloud companies like Oracle and Google, signaling a move to diversify its infrastructure. This suggests the relationship is evolving from an exclusive partnership to more of a complex, competitive alliance. Microsoft is betting billions that its deep integration and control of the software ecosystem will be enough to maintain its edge, even as its star partner begins to explore other options. Conclusion. Microsoft's multi-billion-dollar partnership with OpenAI is more than just a massive expenditure. It's a declaration of intent. It was a preemptive, strategic strike designed to secure a critical resource, both talent and computing power, in the defining technological race of our time. By tying its fate to the world's leading AI lab, Microsoft leaped ahead of its rivals and kicked off an industry-wide arms race. The move has put immense pressure on Amazon and Google to respond, and above all, reinforced Nvidia's unparalleled dominance as the ultimate enabler of the AI revolution. While the financial, environmental, and partnership risks are substantial, Satya Nadella and Microsoft are betting that the future of technology will be built on a foundation of artificial intelligence. They believe the companies that control the infrastructure and the models will control that future. They've placed one of the biggest and most complicated bets in tech history. The question now is whether that bet will ultimately pay off.